Good evening. Can you hear me? Okay. Nehast. Guys, you can ask me questions here from the last class. Still, we have 2 minutes left here to begin the class. In 2 minutes, we can start the class. Till then, okay, you can ask questions here. Okay, on last topic. How do you find these exercises here? Have you done these here previously here in intermediate or BTech here? Are we repeating the same or something new? Guys, hello? Sir, have you done here, okay, the same exercise or, okay, are you finding anything here new? Guys, in intermediate and you might have attempted grammar, no? There also here common errors are there, but did you cover here, okay, like this chapter wise like this? Did you cover chapter wise like this, nouns, pronouns like this? Common errors. Okay, no. Just okay, we went in random here. Especially we focused on tenses and prepositions, articles like that. Okay, in intermediate. But this is a chapter wise here. Okay, from all okay parts of speech. Still to join. So once we complete this one, okay, I will send this file to you, and just you can go through it once more. Still joining. In chatting section, you can ask your doubts. And some 2-3 members from your group, okay, have asked me to, okay, take the class on writing skills. But meanwhile, okay, if you have written any essays, small okay paragraphs or okay one essay, you can send your essays to my mail. I can correct them, okay, and I can give comments on your writing. Those who are preparing for UPSC exams, that is civil services, or those who are preparing for IELTS or okay, some other exams, so you can write your essays. You can send me to my mail. Okay, guys, right here. After joining, these are okay. Listening here, Akash Reddy, Dev Reddy, just raise your hand. Akash Reddy, Devi Reddy. Just raise your hand. Are you present? Joined and left. Yeah, Harita. Guys, you must be here online only till the completion of the class. Okay, you are going to check your attendance in the middle. Devi Reddy, Akash Reddy, just raise your hand, give me attendance. Amruta, Amruta, Hamdullah, Amruta. Absent? Okay. Harikela Naveen. Harikela Naveen. CH Bhargavi. Okay. Harikela Naveen is absent? Okay. Krishnaveni, Ganta Krishnaveni. Ganta Krishnaveni. Allam Krishnaveni. Both Krishnavenis. Ganta Krishnaveni absent? Okay. KVR Mohit. KVR Mohit. Okay, you can drop your hands now. Akash, you can drop your hands. I'll take attendance in the middle again. Drop your hands. Amruta. Krishnaven, drop your hands. Drop your hands. Okay. Now let us see here. Let us continue the previous class. Here we were here. KVR Mohit, just okay. Be on the line here till the end of the class. Okay, now you can drop your hand. Mohit, you can drop your hand. Oh. Hello, Mohit, drop your hand. Okay. Now here, let us start our class. Both did not go. So here, what is wrong in it here? In the negative sentence, okay, negative sentence means where not is there. Okay, in that negative sentence, we should not use the, okay, both. The word both should not be used in negative sentence. So here, instead of both, you can say neither went. What is meant by neither? Neither A nor B went. How is went here? Did plus go becomes the went. So here answer is here did plus go, okay, becomes did, okay, went here, right? In neither already here not is there. Okay, neither means not either. Okay, right? Neither means, what is the meaning of neither here? Okay. Okay. Not plus either. Not either. So that is here. Okay, in neither not already came. Okay, did plus go became went. Neither went. Neither A nor B went. That is the meaning. Okay, next one. 13th. Yes, any doubts? Okay, Naveen, okay. 13th one here, you can tell me. You and he should not waste his money. So mistake is, okay. He and you, okay, you and he means both of you. Both of you should not waste your money. Here the mistake is okay in this one only. Your okay, his money. It is not his money. Your money. Your money means money of yours and his together becomes your. He and you and he should not waste your money. Your money means money of you and money of him. We should not say money of you and him. Your money and his money together becomes your money. Your means it belongs to both. My watch is better than that of yours. And guys, here don't use of with pronouns. Of is the, what is the meaning of of? Of is the possession. Okay, very good. Aisha, it is very good. Okay, no need of using of. Okay. So here that means watch. Watch of yours, no need here. Yours means your watch only. Yours means your watch only. So here, okay, that is not necessary. My watch is better than yours. That is enough. Okay. I, who is your father, should be respected here. Guys, here, try to correct this sentence. I, who is your father, should be respected. It sounds correct only, but okay, there is a mistake here. So here you see this, okay, this verb here should here agree with this, okay, subject. What is the subject? Who? Okay, here subject is who, and who represents I. When who represents I, who is equal to I only. So this verb should agree with the I only. Okay, now I got the answer. Who represents I? So the verb should agree with the I only. So here the mistake is here. This one is only. Why it is a mistake here? Here it should, okay, it should agree with the subject. What is the subject here? I only. So answer is here. I, who am your father, should be respected here. So here it sounds unnatural, but actually here instead of is we should write I'm. Why I'm? Who belongs to I? So subject is I only. So verb should agree with the subject. See the relative pronoun to whom or which it represents, and see the verb should agree with it. Here, who is the relative pronoun? Okay, it represents I. So verb should agree with this I only. Is it clear, guys? Here? Any doubt in this one? Hello? Are you following? Komineni Sai, Kona Deepika, Saujanya. Say yes or no. Are you following or not? In chatting box. Other guys here. Yeah. Deepika. Deepika, answer me. Right here. So here answer is I am. Because who represents I, verb also should represent I. Next, the man standing beside the minister is a friend of me. Is a friend of me. Here, of me is wrong here. A friend of me is wrong. What is the correct one? Friend of mine. Very good. Friend of mine. So don't use this of with the, okay, these pronouns in subjective case. So you can say friend of mine. Friend of mine, or you can use here my friend. Both are correct here. The man standing beside the minister is a friend of mine. A friend of okay. So don't use here this of with the pronouns in objective case. Don't say of you, of him, of me, of her. Don't say like that. Instead, okay, my friend or his friend or her friend, like that, their friend you can use. Next, too much of love is one of those things which spoils the child. Who will correct it? 17th. One of the things, one of those things. Okay, those things. Okay, one of those things means some things. Okay, what are those things? So here the mistake is not those here. The mistake is here only. Guys, just listen to me. Tell me the correct answer. Here, which means here, which represents things are only one. Too much of love. Which represents too much of love or those things. Very good, Lokesh. Yashita, very good here. Very good. So here, which represents here those things. There are some things which spoil the child. Among them, too much of love is there. One. There are some things here which spoil the child. Among them, too much of love is one. So here, which represents those things here? Those things is plural. When there is a plural here, subject, okay, okay. In simple present tense, we should use here do form, spoil. When there is a third person singular, we should use a does. Third person singular subject, we can use a does form. Okay, but here those things is plural. When it is a plural, third person plural, we should use the do form. That is do plus spoil becomes spoil only. So you can note down, guys, here. You can note down this rule. Check the relative pronoun, whether it is singular or plural, and see its verb in agreement. Okay? Just note down this, guys. Take your notes here and note down these key points. Note down these key points. Next, they invited my friend and I to tea. My friend and me. Very good. Okay, not me and my friend. First, we should give importance. Okay, me and my friend Adilakshmi. Don't say me and my friend. Okay, my friend and me. Adilakshmi. Okay, this me is the first person. No? First person should always be okay. The last. First, we should give priority to second person you. Next to third person. Last only first person. Adilakshmi, remember that one. So what is the answer here? Okay, invited my friend and me. Invited my friend and invited me. So invited my friend and me to tea. So next, Mohan made your mention. Made you mention. What does it mean, Lakshmi? Mohan made you mention. Mention of what? What did he mention? Mohan mentioned you. Okay. Don't correct in the verb here. Okay. Mohan mentioned you. Okay, this grammatically it is correct here, but no need of changing this one. Made. Okay. So instead of your mention, instead of this your mention, okay, you can say here mention of you. Mohan made a mention of you. He made a mention of you. Right here. This is the correct one. He made a mention of you means, okay, is it okay? He remembered you. Okay, right? He remembered you in all. Okay, in that meeting or okay, in the discussion, he made a mention of you. Is it here? Right? Made your mention means whatever you said, he made that one. Mohan made your mention means whatever you mentioned, that becomes your mention. So he did not say what you said, what you mentioned. He just made a mention of you. Right? The topic came about you. Okay? What is that here? Was here? Gautam here. What is your okay? Next one. Okay. Yeah. I who was standing here wrote that letter. Okay. Right here. Here who is related to I. So here is wrong here. Here it should be who was standing here wrote that letter. Or okay, even who I am standing here wrote that letter. The standing is present here. Wrote that letter is past. You can use both here. Both are possible. Okay. First one may be happening now. Wrote that letter maybe happened okay previously, yesterday or last week like that. Both are correct. Very good. Was is correct here. Is also correct here. Lokesh. Very good. Yeah. I hate him talking too much. I hate him talking too much. Guys, just okay. Konadipika, just respond here. Pannuri Usharani. Okay. Pasalwadi Archana. Pavan Kalyan Adepu. Just you type your answers. Not raising hand here. Just you respond here. Hello. You respond here. Rushita. Type your answers. Only few members are typing. Shravya B. Type your answers here. If you go wrong, nothing happens here. Guys, just make an attempt here. Make an attempt. Please make an attempt. Okay. Yeah. I hate him speaking too much. I hate him because he talks too much. No. I hate he. Okay, Prasuna. She's okay. You are right. I hate his activity. Ram Subhash. Okay. It is not correct here. I hate his talking. I hate his talking, his activity. He's talking here. Okay. He's talking. I hate his activity only, not him. Okay. Actually, I don't hate him. I hate his activity. What is his activity? I hate his talking too much. His talking too much is his activity. I take his activity. So we have to take like that. It was being a cloudy day. We stayed indoors here. So here guys, actually it comes in the tenses only. So anyone okay tried? Bhavishya, no, not like this. Yeah. As it is raining, we have to stay. Why? Already passed, no? So actually, okay, here was is not necessary here. The mistake is with the was only. So here, so remove that was here. Remove that was. It being a cloudy day. It being a cloudy day. This is a phrase, cloudy day. Okay, right? It being a cloudy day, we stayed indoors. We stayed indoors. Like this. So here, stayed, for this verb, subject is we. For this one being here, subject is it. Okay. So when the subjects are different here, we have to mention these two subjects separately. And being a cloudy day is a phrase here. Okay. Not okay. It is not a complete sentence. It is just a phrase. Even it is not a clause. It being a cloudy day. Very good. Ashita. Okay. Manisai here. Mullapudi here. These are wrong. Okay. Right. We stayed indoors. Right here. Next. And okay. If the subject is same here in, okay, for this verb subject is we. For this one subject is it. When the subjects are different here, we have to mention both here. But if the subject is same, we can okay, remove here one in the beginning. For example, okay, being sick here, okay, I could not hear. I couldn't attend college. Okay. So here in this one, here you need not keep here I. Okay. Being sick here, could not attend college here. See guys here, in this sentence, I is not necessary. Here I is not necessary because here who couldn't attend college? I only. Who was sick here? I only. So when the subject is same in both cases, you can remove subject here in the beginning, in the, okay, in the phrase in the beginning only. So I is not necessary. Right? Any doubt here? Right, okay. Next one. We went to Bhaktar Lake and enjoyed. Okay. Myself. We went to Bhaktar Lake and enjoyed ourselves here. So we ourselves. Answer should be. And here all of you guys here, remember, note down, this is very, very important. And okay, if it is from pronoun, you may get one question from this one on reflexive pronouns. Usually, verbs like enjoy are just adapt, absent, present, pride, avail, etc. are followed by reflexive pronouns. Is it clear? So here, the verb enjoy when followed by its object does not require reflexive pronoun. We enjoyed the music. We enjoyed what here? Music only. So when enjoyed verb is followed by the object here, no need of reflexive pronoun. But when, okay, we enjoyed here. We enjoyed what? In this sentence here. Guys, in this sentence you see, which I highlighted. We enjoyed what here? Object is not mentioned. When object is not mentioned here, this enjoyed verb is followed by reflexive pronoun. We enjoyed ourselves. That's it. Okay. Guys, this came many times. Right? This came many times. The verb enjoyed, when it is followed by its object here, no need of a reflexive pronoun. We enjoyed the music. Okay. And here, when the object is not there, we enjoyed here. In this case, when object is not there, like this here, we enjoyed what here? That is not mentioned here. Then it is followed by reflexive pronoun, ourselves. Next, in the same way, if we use avail, avail is followed by reflexive pronoun plus of something. Example, I availed myself of the opportunity. We availed, okay, summer vacation. We availed ourselves of the summer vacation. We availed ourselves of the summer vacation. Right? So reflexive pronoun, on this one you may get at least one question in the competitive exams. Next here, those who do not look before they leap. Leap means jump, okay, or step. Those who do not look before they jump or the step, repent. So, okay, those means it is related to persons only. So here, if it is persons, don't use here that. Here, those is again the pronoun indefinite here. Again, that is also indefinite. So don't use like this. So in the place of that, what do you use? Who? Very good. Repent means feel sad. Okay, feel sad about here their work here. Okay, feel guilty of themselves. Okay, paschatap. Repent means paschatap. Pawan Kalyan, repent means, okay, paschatapadam. Okay, right. None of we accepted his okay invitation. None of we. What is that? None of us. Very good. Okay, none of us, none of you, none of them. So none of is followed by pronoun in objective case. None of them, none of us, none of you, none of them. Right? And he bought a beautiful pen and gave the pen to his sister. Next one. He bought a beautiful pen and gave the pen to his sister. Tell me guys here, what is the correct answer? He bought a beautiful pen and gave the pen to his sister. What is wrong? Gave that or it. So, okay, when this noun pen is repeated second time, okay, don't repeat that noun, use pronoun. Gave it to his sister. Very good. That is the first time that I have seen you. That here. Here reflexive, okay. Relative pronoun is that, here beginning is also that. So both should not be used like this. So what is that here? It is the first time or this is the first time. Okay. This is or it. Very good. So, okay, if you practice, this is common, okay. It's very easy. It is the first time or this is the first time that I have seen you. So this that also do not sound well. So you can say it. It is good. It is the first time that I have seen you. Next here, this is related to personal pronoun. I, him, and you must help that poor man. I, him. We must means you and okay, I only. Munipelli. We must miss you and I only. How? Okay, him comes here. Adilakshmi here. You and him, can we say? Him and I or he and I? Adilakshmi. He and I or him and I? Okay. He and I. He and you wrong here. Lokesh here. First priority should be given to second person. Next, third person. And last, first person. So here, what should be the, okay? First, okay, if you think it is positive statement, first here, you. Okay? Then he. Next, and him. And I. So all should be in the same case here, subjective case only. You, he, and I must help that poor man. Okay. Is it clear? Right? If you are okay, making it compulsory, and is it clear? First priority goes to second person, then third person, and last ion. Right? If it is negative sentence, first person, second person, and third person. Positive sentence, second person, third person, first person. Note down these guys here. Okay. Next one. I divided this apple between he and myself. I divided this apple between he and myself. Between both of us. Both of us and you and I. Okay. Bhavishya, you are right. Between you and me. Between you and me. Why? Where is you? Bhavishya. Why are you saying you? Between him and, okay, between him and me. Ataniki naku madhya. Ataniki naku madhya. Okay, between him and me. So don't use here myself here. Right? So here you, okay, regarding reflexive pronoun, you have to remember some more here. Okay, so let me tell you here. My father and myself went okay, went to market yesterday. Right. What is wrong in this one? Next sentence, all of you guys here, just listen to me. My father and myself went to, okay. Between two persons only, yes. And me only. My father and me went. Do you say me went? My father and me went. Can you say me went? I. Here the answer is, okay. My father and I. my father and I went. Right? So here, don't say my father and myself. Okay. Recently, I have seen so many guys here using myself common. Okay, my father and myself went. Myself and my father went. Myself went. Okay, don't use like that. Before, okay, before verb in a sentence, okay, in the subject place, myself will never come. Okay, in the subject place, myself will never come. Is it clear? Myself cannot become a subject. Okay, you can use it. I myself, he himself, like that you can say. But directly don't start. Okay, don't here just use okay, myself. Right here, okay. I would like to remind you guys here. Most of you in your most of you in your presentation generally when you speak publicly, okay, when you introduce yourself, okay, I have seen so many guys even okay very high officials also while introducing themselves. Okay, what do they say here? Myself is Naresh. Okay, going to present this topic kind of, they'll say like that. Don't say myself is Mahesh like that. Okay, you can introduce yourself. I am Mahesh. Okay, regarding myself. Okay, I am Mahesh or my name is Mahesh like that. Don't say myself is Mahesh. In English, no sentence begins with myself or yourself or themselves. No sentence begins with the reflexive pronoun. Okay, guys? No sentence begins with a reflexive pronoun. Right? So be careful here, especially while introducing yourself. Okay, don't say myself. Yeah, himself is Rakesh. Don't say like that. He is Rakesh. His name is Rakesh. So, but don't say himself is Rakesh. Myself is Ramu. Don't say like that. There are no sentences in English that begin with myself, himself, like that. Okay. Okay. Next. So here, what is wrong here? Myself, my father and myself is wrong. Right? He stole a dog and stole the dog here for ₹50. So it is repeated. The noun is repeated. So in this place, you can use here it. Okay. Guys here, are you listening or feeling bored? Okay. So because it is one-way communication, that's why unless you respond here, it will not be interested here. Shravya B, just please respond here. Okay, G Vinay, Venkata Vaishnavi, V Raviteja, Vanga Satish Reddy, just respond. Raise your hands. Means others are not okay. Right. Okay, now you can drop. No problem. But okay. But you are not here typing any answers. Vinay, G Vinay. You are not typing any answer. Vinay, drop your hand and just try to hear chart with the answer. That also we can use. What is that? He stole the dog and sold. Don't use here that. That indicates the long distance here. Okay. It means this or that can be called it. This or that can be called it. Okay. And generally here, okay, as a pronouns, they will be used in the beginning only. This is a fan. Okay. Is it clear? That is a fan. But together, okay, it indicates this or that. That is not wrong here, but you need not keep it here. It indicates this or that. Next, 33. Santosh, being a poor man, cannot buy costly clothes. Santosh, being a poor man, cannot buy costly clothes. Here, being a poor man, who is being a poor man? Santosh. Who cannot buy costly clothes? Santosh only. In both cases, subject is same. In that case, okay, bring this subject here in the second place only. In the okay, is it clear? So you have to, you should not use it here in this place. So bring Santosh here before cannot buy. Okay, right? Here you can use here Santosh cannot buy. Santosh cannot here, cannot buy. Like this here. Bring this, okay. Bring Santosh to the second place on. Right? So bring this Santosh here. Otherwise, you can keep a comma here. Santosh, comma, being a poor man, comma, cannot buy costly clothes. So keep a comma, okay, here before being, or else you remove Santosh from this place and bring Santosh here in this place before cannot buy. Okay, guys, here. Okay. Being a poor man, Santosh cannot buy costly clothes. Very good here. Okay, this is the answer. Right? So when subject is same, he means who? Mullapudi here. He means who? Okay. We can't use Santosh being a poor man, he cannot buy. We can't use here he at this place, Santosh at this place. Use subject at only one place. Okay, that is in the second place. Being a poor man, Santosh cannot buy. Okay, being a poor man, Santosh cannot buy. Next, 34. Who are you referring to? Who are you referring to? Whom are you referring to? Very good. Whom? Okay, ఎవరిని refer చేస్తున్నారు? ఎవరిని. So here ఎవరిని means whom. ఎవరు means who. ఎవరిని means whom. Whom are you referring to? Right? ఎవరిని whom. ఎవరు who. So whom did you say was digging the ground? So did you say is not the part of the sentence here. Here, did you say here? It is not the part of the sentence. So actual sentence, whom was digging the ground? Do we say whom was digging the ground? So who was digging the ground is the correct answer. Right? Who was can we use to whom are you referring? So don't begin the sentence with preposition. Pawan Kalyan. Don't, okay. Don't begin the sentence with preposition. To whom are you referring? Is it clear? In spoken English, it is okay, but in writing here, don't begin the sentence with a preposition. Okay. When there is a interrogative pronoun, sentence should begin with interrogative pronoun only. Before interrogative pronoun, okay, we should not use any preposition in the beginning. So, right? So here answer is here. Who was digging the ground here? Right? I shall take your leave now. I shall take your leave now. Guys, answer it. I take your leave means what is that? You have applied a leave and I should take it. What does he want to say here? I shall take your leave. Leave now. Then what about your? Okay. Mullapudi, what about your? I can take a leave of you. Okay. Okay. Is it clear? Leave. So I can take a leave of you. OFF you can use, OF also use. Here. Means here. So I should, okay. I shall take a leave of you means, okay, from your side here. Okay, I need, okay, a leave means you should accept my leave. Okay, I should move away from you. I should move away from you. That is the meaning. I shall take a leave of you means, okay, away from you. Okay, అంటే ఇంకా సెలవు ఇప్పిస్తారా? Shall I take? I shall take leave from you. Okay, that is also okay. Leave from you means okay, Aparna, it is also correct here, but actual sentence is it is leave of you, not from you. Okay, is it here? Is this book yours or mine? So here, okay, apostrophe should not be used for possessive pronouns. So here it should be yours only. Okay. Right, sir. I do not like you talking to Radha. I do not like you talking to Radha. What is wrong? Correct it here, guys. I do not like you talking to Radha. 38. Already we got it. I hate, I do not like, my father does not like. Such answers. Guys, answer it. His, Gautam, what about he's talking? Why? He's talking or you are talking? Yeah. You are talking to I do not like you are talking to Radha, not he's talking to Radha. You are talking means your activity, okay, of talking. I do not like you are talking to Radha. Next. Yes, just be active here. Okay. Participants here, please be active here. Don't sleep here evening hours. Nagalalita, Bindu, are you listening? Chat in the chat box you tell here. Nagalalita, Bindu. Yes, Tejaswini, Sweta, Sushma Velpuri. Are you listening? Just in the chat box you tell yes or no. Others also. Okay, then why are you not responding? Just you can type that answer. So you can go wrong. It is not a crime. Hello, you can, Sweta, it is not a crime if you go wrong. Just open up, try to clarify your doubts. Okay, if you commit a mistake, it is not a crime. Okay. So Mohini's looks are more charming than Sudha's. So instead of than Sudha's here, looks should be compared with looks only. So here, better keep here that of Sudha. That of means looks. That of Sudha. So here we can use this of with okay proper nouns, okay, names, but don't use this of with pronouns. OF should not be used with pronouns for possession of him, of me, of you, of them. Okay, is wrong. Instead of you, we can say yours. Instead of me, we can say mine. Okay, right? Instead of him, we can say his. Right? This is the man whose all sons are mad. Here in this construction, there is a wrong. Yes, yeah. This is the man whose all sons are mad. 40th question. Guys, 40th. Whose all sons is wrong here? All sons of whom all sons of whom are wrong, mad. This is the man, all sons of whom are mad. Okay. So this is okay. All sons of whom are mad. Next, one ought to do his duty. This also came in many exams here in intermediate also. Okay, in many, okay, in many cases here. One ought to do, why his duty, why not her duty? One must do his duty, okay, Bhaishya. Why his duty, not her duty? You don't want to take responsibility, you don't have any duty. Why his duty only? Okay, Prasuna, their duty, why? Okay, that is also okay. Their duty is also correct. Okay, but one is singular, no? Prasuna, one is singular, no? So here we can use, we should not say his duty or her duty. Okay, to overcome the gender bias, we can say one, okay, ought to do one's duty only. Okay, it is possible. Okay, one ought to do one's duty, right? But here, okay, you see, everyone should love one's country. Here, when everyone is coming here like this, okay, so here you can say their country. Actually, everyone is also singular, but we cannot say in the place of everyone, we cannot say only one's country. So we have to use here their country. To avoid this gender discrimination, his or her, we are using here, one ought to do one's duty. Everyone should love their country. Okay, to avoid gender discrimination. To avoid gender discrimination. Every one, okay, not two words here, one word only. Should love. Why his country? Why not her country? Bhavishya. Why his country? Why not her country? Both. When both are there here, then okay, then his or her, no, we should not use like this. So to avoid this gender discrimination, to club both here, we can use their country. So here you see, in this one, every one of the boys has taken his share. 43. 43. Okay, every one of the boys has taken his share. KVR Mohit here, tell me. Likita Mullapudi, observe once again here. Okay, why should we use there? Every one of the boys means singular only, na? Everyone. Everyone means singular only. Mohit here, tell me here, what is your doubt? You can unmute and just, okay. Yeah. So everyone means one only. So third person singular, has is correct only. And the gender is also male gender only. His share here. His share. Okay, so here there is no mistake here. Every one of the boys, okay, boys lo prati okkaru, only one on it, every one of them. So it is singular only, has taken his share, no mistake in this one. And no, we can say his share because boys only, no, gender is also correct. Okay, but in this one, there is no gender here. We can't say his or her. So for everyone we are using their here, but here we are not using their, we are using his only, because we know the gender is male only, right? Okay, just okay, we can complete these two. Okay, okay, right. You need your need is greater than that of mine. So no need of here, that of. Mine itself means my need. Your mine means my need only. Okay. Okay. This is my book. This book is mine. This book is mine means, okay. Mine means my book only. This is mine. Okay, we can use it. Mine means my book. Mine means my chair. So no need of that of. Okay. Right, sure. My coat is longer than you. So longer than you or longer than yours? Longer than yours. Right, okay. Let us complete these three, okay. This is the pen that was presented to me by Mayuri. So here don't use that, this, that, okay. Okay, the sound here awkward here. This is the pen, okay, which was presented here, okay, which was presented to me by Mayuri. Okay, this is the pen which was presented to me by Mayuri. Next, Sangeeta and myself went to the Sona complex. Sangeeta and myself is wrong here. Okay, in spoken English we often use it here, but it is wrong grammatically. Sangeeta Here, what is the answer here, guys? Sangeeta and I only. And Gautam, okay, don't here type here small letter for I. Okay, Gautam. Okay, I when it is used separately, it should be capital only. Okay, capital letter only, not small letter. You and Ahmad have wasted your time, right? Your time means your time and Ahmad time together called here your time. The people that called yesterday want to buy the house. Here, since it is people, instead of that, you can use here who. Okay, right here. Okay, guys, I will send you. I will send you this file, and even okay, some more exercises are there on pronouns. Okay, it is okay. It looks somewhat difficult only, but you try to attempt these questions and send me back here. Even I will send you the answers for the next one. This second exercise is also related to pronoun only. Okay, right here. I think Sar is online. Okay, sir. Ramu sir. Hello, sir. So, guys, here, do you have next class here or this one only? Just to type it. Hello. Hello, guys, here. You have another class of Ramu sir and yeah. Okay, here. I am leaving here. I right here. Okay, guys, here just good night here.
Hello. Yes, Anna. Good evening. I hope my voice is clear. Yes, Anna. Is my voice is clear? See, Nana, why very less count is there? Only 128 members. Hmm? See, Nana, okay. See, Nana, tuples. In the last class, we have seen, Nana, in the last class, we have seen